Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this roaring 20s outfit and dress up dress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. Okay guys, start from the hairstyle. You can choose this hair and then you're going to color it with this color and then combine it with this one, make it the same color, and then you're going to put on this curly hair as well, but you can choose only bangs, and then you're going to make it the same color, and then you're going to put on this ribbon for the hair accessory, and you're going to make it black and then select type 2, and then you're going to put on this item, make it black, and this necklace from the Kurt's item, and you're going to make it black, combine it with this necklace, make it black, and then this one as well, make it white and also black. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to choose this corset. For the first selection, just leave it like that, and for the second selection, I'm going to make it black, and then I'm going to select this item, just make it this color, and then I'm going to put on this oops, sorry, I clicked the wrong item. I'm going to put on this gloves, and then I'm going to remove the fur. Okay, make it like this, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this area, and then I'm going to put on this heels, and then I'm going to make it black for all the selection. Okay, done, and then I'm going to go to the next area, and I'm going to put on this skirt, and for this skirt I'm going to make it black, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room, and I'm going to go to this menu, and I'm going to put on this this top from the witch set, and then I'm going to make it black. Okay, like this. And for the lace, I'm going to make it white, and then I'm going to put on this top and choose to go to. I'm going to make it black for the first selection. For the second selection, make it white and make it black and also black, and then put on this skirt, and for the skirt I'm going to make it black for the first selection until the fourth selection, and then I'm going to select this jellyfish dress. I'm sorry, not jellyfish, but it's similar to the jellyfish dress from the VIP room, and then just make it black. And I'm going to change the toggle of this this corset, guys. We need to make it dress, sorry. And okay, this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.